Alright, so here is my poker project. I wanted to be able to do this on a screen recorder, but it wasn't able to capture the window when I run the program. So anyways, here it is. If I run it 10,000 times, because 650,000 would take a couple minutes, then this is what we get. You can see that the probabilities are displayed here alongside the hands for each type of score. And what I did for the case where a type of score does not occur in running the program, I just display it as like 1 out of 0. In order to do that, I did face a little bit of a challenge because I didn't realize that I was having a divide by zero error over here. But once I figured that out, it was not too hard to fix. Some other difficulties that I faced while implementing this were number one, my program was actually really, really slow before, because the way that I was shuffling the deck of cards wasn't as efficient. And I think that essentially I was like checking every single card with every other single card every time. So there was a lot more going on for the compiler. But after speaking with some classmates, they showed me a better way to do it. And I was able to implement this more efficient method, which involves the second for loop decrementing so that you're not checking as many cards. And I think that using a swap instead of assignment is probably quicker, although I'm not 100% sure about that. And then another challenge that I faced was with the deal card function. Not because it's like extremely complicated, but just because it took me a while to figure out how I would do that. But I think at first I was going to put the deal card function in the card hand. And then I realized that it made a lot more sense to have it in the deck. So that definitely helped a lot. Anyways, yeah, I was able to finish all of the necessary parts of this project. I would say that it works how it's supposed to. And I will submit a link to the output when running it 650,000 times with the video. Although I don't want to run it right now because it'll take a few minutes if I did that. All right, well, thank you for watching.